Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on marketing certifications with Hootsuite, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Hootsuite Academy website. Explore the various marketing certifications available. Identify which certifications align with your career goals. Sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. Look for promotions or discounts on certification courses. Engage with Hootsuite's social media channels for special offers. Consider enrolling in Hootsuite's free courses to build foundational knowledge. Join the Hootsuite community for networking opportunities. Participate in webinars or events that may offer discounts. Check if your organization offers education reimbursement for professional development. Verify if there are any bundle deals for multiple certifications. Aim to complete any available prerequisite courses to qualify for advanced certifications. Set a study schedule to keep your progress on track. Utilize Hootsuite's resources and study guides effectively. Keep an eye on certification renewal periods to avoid additional costs later. Review feedback from past participants to identify the best certifications for you. Connect with peers who might share resources or tips for studying effectively. Track your expenses related to certifications to budget efficiently. Look for alternative, lower-cost training options if necessary. Be proactive about reaching out to Hootsuite's support for clarification on pricing and discounts. Continue to engage with the community for ongoing learning and support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.